Hey girl, hey. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Okay, y'all. Y'all see me out here in these streets. Look, did I hear that? Okay, why the truck gotta be that loud on the video? Why it's gotta be that loud? Why? Just tell me why it's gotta be that loud. Okay. Okay, so we getting ready to go see David, aka Trail. Who is David? Y'all want to know? Yes, my dad's name is David. Yes, my brother's name is David. And baby, my stylist, his name is David. So we get ready to go, and he finna lay hands in his head. I can't take it no more. I can't take it, y'all. Hair depression is for real, baby. And he get ready to bring me back because I'm out here in these streets looking crazy, baby. I can't be looking crazy no more. I can't do it. I can't do it. So y'all, let's go on in and get this head done. Let's let him lay holy hands on this head. Y'all, let's go.
Drumming, 11 pipers piping 10, Louis 9, ladies dancing 8, major milking 7, swan 6, geese a laying 5, golden.
Hey girls, y'all know I had to call you back. All right, so we are at HOMEGOODS. Hopefully the pillows are back in. The guy told me they should be in today, so we're gonna run in and go pick them up, y'all. Excuse my voice. We had a good time at my work's holiday party, so we're gonna run in here and see if HOMEGOODS got what I want, and then I know it's late in the game, but I'm gonna show y'all what I did to my apartment. Y'all know it's a Pinkmas thing going on inside the apartment. But anyway, girls, let's go on into HOMEGOODS, and then I'm gonna call y'all back when I get to the house. Let's go.
Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter